Hi, fellow boat builders. Thought I'd just bring you into the workshop and show you one of our new projects. This is a 3.1 meter dinghy. It's sort of a follow-up of our very popular 2.4 tender. We know the limitations that a 2.4 meter little tender has, so we've sort of overcome this by just scaling things up. This has got considerably more freeboard. And obviously the stability will be greater, and it's a nice little unit. It's still going to be quite light. We're hoping that this will come in around about 30 kg by comparison to the dinghy, which we know is around about 20. So this will come standard with 2 seats. Obviously this is a fully fabricated kit set that we'll be taking to market. I haven't got the final figures in yet, but I don't think it'll be too scary. Just to familiarise yourself with what I'm talking about with the other dinghy, I'll take you through to the workshop here, the other side. So this is the little dinghy that you've probably seen online. We've got a number of these builds going at the moment around New Zealand, as far south as Oamaru and as far north as Paihia. And we are starting to see quite a few father son builds, which is really nice to see. I've got a couple of those going, grandfather, grandchildren, and then of course builders who just want to build something, you know, to suit their launch, because it's so lightweight. It's very easy to handle. So just to go back to the construction process, our construction process is somewhat unique. We don't use cradles or jigs. It's a little unorthodox, I agree, but it works well. Basically all your componentry is CNC cut, so the tolerance levels are very slight. So as long as you follow the instructions, it's not scary. And what we do is we set our keel on the workbench, then we drop our ribs in, then we set our gunnel, and in this particular case it's like a double gunnel, which is actually giving a lot of perimeter strength to the boat. And then once this is done, we actually flip it over, and we've got the chine, and then a couple of other stringers going in, and then obviously the shaping. So I have actually been recording the build process of this particular boat, as I am with all our craft, but it all takes time. The intention is that this will be a step-by-step video feed on the actual construction process, as we've done with the catamaran, which you may be familiar on the YouTube feeds as well. So I'll keep you posted. Got a few things going on at the moment, but hey, it's all fun. This is my passion, and I wouldn't be doing it otherwise. So look, lock us in and watch the process and progress as well. All right, thank you.